How to silence or mute group text on iPhone. So if you want to silence or move your group text alert on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do, when you want to silence group text or group notifications on your phone, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the message app on your phone and then select the group chat whose notification you want to silence. So once you selected the group chat just like this, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top. Now, once you click on that, you're going to see all the group member and then the group name, including group information. Now, to silence or mute the group notifications on your iPhone, turn on hide alert. Then once you enable hide alert, this is going to turn off notifications from this group or disable it. Then go ahead and tap done. And then once the chat continues on this group, you no longer receive the notifications. But if you check the group chat, you'll be able to see all the messages in the group chat. So that is basically how to silence or mute group notifications on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.